At LUZ, we know that from the customer's point of view, the term quality includes both the product and the service. That's why we offer native CAD data of our products for free download. Please visit luz.com.cy. Use the menu in the upper right corner to get to the link BIM Designs. You will be automatically redirected to the digital product catalog for BIM models. By default, the country from which you access the catalog is selected as the delivery country. If this is not correct or orders are placed from another country, you can change it manually. On the right, you will find the product preview. Here you can rotate the product and zoom in on details. There are two levels of detail to choose from: LOD 400 for a very detailed view, or LOD 200 if you want to work efficiently on a large project. If you want to load another LOD or download the model, please log in with your Part Community account or create a new one, which is easy and free. You can use the Generate PDF Datasheet button to download a PDF that contains both a 3D view and the 2D derivations and properties. Via the tab Formats and Add Formats, you select your preferred ones once from more than 150 formats. These settings will be saved in the account for future downloads. Use the button Generate CAD Model to download the product. Just unzip the folder and you're ready to load it into your system. If you have any questions or would like individual advice, please feel free to write to us: luz@luz.com.cy.